Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sean or Mustang09 bringing you a brand new video. And today, the day you're watching this video, I have now owned my 2017 F250 for officially 1 year. This truck has been amazing. I absolutely love it. And I wanted to bring you guys a video sort of talking about the mods I've done, some future plans for the truck, some things I dislike about the truck, and kind of like an overall view of what it's been like owning this thing for a year. So we'll jump right into it and we'll talk about the mods on the outside, the things everybody sees first. Of course, the first thing everybody notices are the wheels and tires on this truck. These are the Method MR312s wrapped in the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. These are 37s. With the tires being 37s and the offset that I do have slight rubbing on the inside, but it's really only at full lock. It's really only when the wheel's all the way around. During my daily travels, I think I've only had it hit once, maybe twice, so nothing too bad, and I really do like the way it looks. It sets off the truck. It really gives it this wicked stance that I like. My friends refer it to as like a classic stance, something like your dad would like, somebody my dad's age, but I think it looks sick with the big meaty tires and the smaller diameter wheels. Obviously, to make all that function, we have to have some sort of lift in there. This is a 2.5-inch leveling kit from Ready Lift. It just lifts the front end of the truck, factory ride height in the rear, but overall it gives it an amazing stance. The truck is tall and I do love it. Moving around to the front of the truck, you'll notice a few mods here. First off, the 2-wheel drive valance underneath the front bumper. Having that really just gives the truck a taller look to it. Obviously my truck is the 4-wheel drive version. However, I opted to install the 2-wheel drive valance just to give it that taller look, that higher ride height. And some people ask me all the time, actually, why did you put a valance on there? Why not cut your factory one or just take it all the way off? The simple answer there is I wanted to do something that gave it an OEM finished look. And when you take it off and leave it off, there are these metal tabs that stick down that are built into the bumper, and it just doesn't look finished to me. It doesn't look right. And so I wanted something that looked finished, and that was this valance here. Now, to show you guys the other mods I have on the front, I have to unlock the truck and turn the lights on. That's right, we got to turn the lights on. So coming back around the front, you'll notice LED headlights, and I also do have LED fog lights. They're not on right now, but there's a full LED bulb conversion in the front thanks to the guys over at Headlight Revolution. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel and supporting the build with the headlights. And I also have LED reverse lights in the truck. So speaking of reverse lights, let's move to the back of the truck. Alrighty guys, moving to the rear of the truck, you'll notice I do have LED lights for the license plate as well. And one of my most favorite mods, because I use it every time I open the tailgate, is the rear tailgate dampener on the truck. That mod was perfect. It was super simple install and it works every single time, and it just makes your life easier. So it's a very good mod. The other thing you'll notice back here is this Lariat bed liner. I do have the UV protection. I made a whole video about it, so it does its job, protects the bed, and it keeps it looking good so you don't have scratches in the bed of your truck if it was just painted. So yeah, Lariat bed liner, thumbs up from me. Alrighty boys, for the next couple of mods, we're gonna have to jump inside of the truck. You'll notice first off these Husky liners. They're doing their job, capturing all the dirt and debris that my shoes and my work boots kick up into the truck. And I have to apologize, the truck is absolutely filthy right now because it's Texas winter time, and one day it's super nice, the next day it's junk. And actually tomorrow we have the opportunity to have rain, sleet, and snow all in one day. So truck's just dirty right now. I apologize for that. But the Husky liners, like I said, doing their job, capturing all the dirt and debris. And then the next mod that I use every time I drive the truck is this upgraded steering wheel. If you guys have seen the video, then you know this was a super simple install, and it's still one that I truly, truly love. You'll notice I kept the XLT. It's like the little black frame that goes in there. I'm actually going to swap that out for the silver one that came with the upgraded, the premium steering wheel, or whatever this steering wheel is. It's leather wrapped, which is the reason why I did it. It's not the rubber one from factory. So it feels great. It feels bigger when you grip it. It feels more like a truck steering wheel, and I think it just adds a really nice touch to the inside. And it'll really top it off once I put that other trim piece back on there. So that's the extent of the mods. Oh wait, there is one more mod. We should go to the back. I almost forgot. Recently made a video about this, but if you reach back here and pull up, you will see the Built Right Industries rear seat release handle for this truck. I'm gonna hop in the truck because I wore shorts out here and it's 39 degrees. I know, it's crazy, but let's finish the video off from inside the truck. Alrighty guys, hopping into the truck here, you'll see that this truck has 22,643 miles. I've done a little bit of driving this year with this truck and I've loved every mile of it. I will say, when I purchased this truck, it was considered new, but it was a loaner vehicle, so it had 2,000 miles when I got it. So all in all, I've put 20,643 miles on my truck. So now that we're back in the truck where it's nice and warm, I wanted to talk to you guys about a few future mods that have been running through my mind lately that I would like to maybe see happen in 2019. You know, I've been watching a lot of YouTube lately with all the holidays being at home, and I've seen a few trucks on there that have been tuned. And that's starting to look more and more attractive to me as my factory warranty is rapidly going to run out. With the miles that I've been putting on the truck, I don't foresee it lasting much longer than the next few months. So with that gone, you know, the door opens with my options for tuning the truck and doing those sorts of things with modding the motor and maybe the exhaust system, maybe deleting a few things. But I don't have a lot of knowledge on that information. So I wanted to actually poll you guys, ask you guys to comment down below tuner suggestions, some of your knowledge on what it takes to tune the truck, delete some things. Is a cold air intake even worth it on this truck? Just putting a new filter on it, does that do anything? And I know I sound like a total novice here, but that's simply because I come from the Mustang world, and I could talk to you guys day and night about modding a Mustang, about supercharger kits, turbochargers, just all sorts of different things, fuel systems. I know that stuff pretty well, but as far as diesel trucks, I have yet to do my homework on. So I'm going to rely on some of you guys for your personal input. Anybody that's had a tuned F250 in the past, maybe one that's similar to mine, 2017 and up model. Leave a comment down below with any information you have on what it takes to tune one of these and who the better tuners are out there. For just reference for you guys, I am in the DFW area of Texas, so I know we have a huge aftermarket area here for trucks. Texas is big on trucks, so looking forward to hearing and reading what you guys have to say. A couple of other mods for the truck would be the airbag system in the back in case I do start towing this year. It is a goal of mine to eventually get a trailer. It would be really nice to see that happen this year so that I can take my Mustang around to other drag strips across the country and be able to race it and do collaborations with other YouTubers and that sort of thing. So not only airbags, but some sort of really good drop hitch back there would be nice so that the truck stays level and the trailer stays level while we're towing it and all that jazz. So just some minor mods for the future. As of right now, I would like to also see me get rid of the steps on the side. I do like the motorized ones that come up and down, and also a bed cover at some sort. I do like the backflip one, but I've read some bad reviews on some of them, and so I'm not sure which one to go with there. So also looking for more feedback there on a bed cover that's retractable in some way. So now that I've talked about the mods I've done, my future mods, let's talk about a few things that I actually dislike about this truck. If you look right down here on the center console, for whatever reason in this area here on either side, whenever it reaches about 70 to 78 degrees outside, that area likes to creak a lot. And plastic creaking and making noises annoys the heck out of me. I can't stand it. And I know it happens in all production cars. Even the nicest of the vehicles have some sort of creak in there. It's just the nature of materials with hot and cold shrinking and growing and that sort of thing. So I try and tune it out, turn the radio up, but sometimes it's just overbearing and it's obnoxious. The other thing that I don't like on the inside of the truck for creaking is this door handle here. My driving stance is like, let me see if I can show you. So foot on the gas, steering wheel, and then I put my leg against this handle here. And I know it shouldn't go there, but you can hear it. It bugs me. It's a minor thing, and it's my own fault, so I can't complain too much. But a couple of real complaints that I do have are the windshield and the amount of windshield fluid this truck goes through. I've already had to fill it up one time, and just based off of since I filled it up, I know the second time's coming really soon. And it's not like I am overly using my windshield wipers and washing my windshield off. It's just crazy how much fluid it goes through. I don't know if the tank is small, but I feel like when I filled it up, I put a lot of product in there. So yeah, that's one. It's real simple, but it's a small complaint. The other thing would be just how easy this windshield gets a rock chip in it. The beauty marks this windshield has is ridiculous. I've had one before, and then on the way to filming this video, I actually got a second one, and this one's a pretty good sized one. I don't know if you can see that. So there's one rock chip there, and then the other one is a little smaller. It's that little thing right there. It's hard to tell, but yeah, this one was a pretty good sized one. So as you can tell, I've got a couple of rock chips in the windshield. One's already been filled, and since I got the other one today, when I was coming to film this video, it hasn't been filled yet, and I don't know if my next option is to go ahead and fill it. It's kind of unsightly. They're getting closer and closer to my line of vision, so I don't know if I want to replace it yet or not, because the truck is only a year old, and I don't really want to be ripping windshields in and out of this truck every time I get a couple of rock chips. So yeah, I got a decision to make on that. Do I just fill it? Do I let the guy tell me if it's going to be okay, if he can fill it enough or not? But I do know that this windshield does have the, it's got that, what is it called? The sound screen on it, which I think is one of the reasons why we don't hear as much wind noise inside. And also, I think it's mainly for the motor, so we don't hear a lot of the noises from the engine inside of the cab, which it does a great job. It keeps the noise level down. I can hear myself think. I can hear myself talk on the phone. So decisions will have to be made in the near future for what lies ahead for this windshield. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. 2019's here, baby. I'm ready to have a good year. I'm so excited for the truck. I'm so excited for the Mustang, for this channel, to see it grow. If you don't know, I do have a goal this year to hit 100,000 subscribers. It is a lofty goal, and I can only do it with you guys' help. If you don't hit the subscribe button, I can't hit my goal. So hit that subscribe button. It tells me I'm doing a good job. Leave a comment down below and let me know you're liking the videos, what you want to see more of, and I would be more than happy to read those. I'm always down there replying to you guys and getting you guys' feedback, and I enjoy those conversations we have. Also, be sure to follow me on social media. Instagram, I'm very active on, and I do have a Facebook page where I respond to pretty quickly as well. So thanks again for watching, boys, and we'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy.